Nollywood actress, Funke Akindele is basking in her glory as she turns 46 in August 2023. The never-aging box office queen, via her Instagram page, shared stunning photos of her in a white dress. Wishing herself a happy birthday, Funke expressed gratitude to her creator with a word of prayer. "To God be the glory, happy birthday OLUWAFUNKE AKINDELE. You will never know sorrow in Jesus' name."
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Funke Akindele was born on August 24, 1976 in Ikorodu, Lagos State, Nigeria. She is an actress and writer, known for Omoghetto, the Saga, 2020.
Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
The 46-year-old has proven over time that the Hall of Fame and popularity is not for the faint of heart. Many recognize her as her comic character Jenifa, while others she has mentored in the industry call her Mrs. Bello or Aunty Funke. A filmmaker, producer, and director in 2021, Funke Akindele made a shocking over 450 million naira from her blockbuster movie Omoghetto, the Saga, thus becoming the highest-grossing movie of all time in Nigeria, breaking the 4-year record of Kemi Adetiba's movie titled The Wedding Party, a movie that featured popular names in the Nollywood industry like Sola Sobowale.
Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.